So I'm Andy, I'm one of the Managing Directors of Engraving Studios. So the company was formed in 2013 after working in the industry since the mid-90s. We engrave, deeply engraved brass dog and cat ID tags along with aluminium and brass commemorative and memorial nameplates. So we specialise in deep mill engraving. We don't do any laser etching or diamond drag work. It is all milled lettering, so it gives a good durable finish to any of the products we make. We were looking to increase our batch processing of the products that we make. We wanted high speed, accuracy, reliability in the machine. So we were recommended to Daltons Kim by our tooling supplier. He suggested that the Kimla machines were good and reliable and offered a lot. When we discussed our options, there was a machine that was tailored to our needs. It fit the bill perfectly. So the machines have allowed us to do a lot bigger batch processing. Unattended operating is a big one. The accuracy, repositioning of the machines is absolutely unbeatable to a level that we never thought we'd got to. It's allowed us to reach into clients like BAFTA, National Garden Scheme, Vivian Westwood, people that want the absolute best of the best. So we've not had many issues with the machines since we had them installed, but any niggles has been addressed quickly. Sam and Brad have been on hand on the phone. We don't even need to have someone on site a lot of the time. Things are just diagnosed and resolved over the phone. So the learning curve on the Kimlas has been really quite a short process. As the machines reliably do what they're meant to do, you don't have to spend time rebuilding in fail safes and what if scenarios. They do what they're asked to do repeatedly without fail. So we got the first machine, used that for a period of time and realised that it could automate a lot more than we thought. And when we trialled other options on it, we realised that actually we need two. So that was literally a phone call. We want exactly the same again, and it arrived a few months later. And yeah, wouldn't look back now. So working with Daltons was quite refreshing. We spent a lot of time with Alex and with Andy initially. Everything we asked, it was a case of it'll do it. If it won't, we'll find out why. Anything that they weren't sure about or they didn't think it would do was ironed out quickly. We spoke with the guys directly in Poland as well. Detailed the kind of machine we wanted, if it was a dream scenario or the features we never thought we could have, and everyone was ticked off and we got a machine that exactly what we wanted. Delivery and install with Brad, Sam and Bob was faultless. Nothing was too much trouble, and the training was tailored directly to what we needed, our own application rather than a workflow from a book.